Monty Python's Spamalot. Socially distant concertist version for times of plague and pandemic.
Who are you?
I am Arthur, King of the Britons. We are here to do a Broadway show, which you can watch live streamed first week of March. It will be amazing.
It follows King Arthur and his knights as they embark on an epic quest to search for the Holy Grail.
Amazing.
So who are you guys?
My name is Sir Lancelot of Camelot, sir, and there are many who describe me as big and strong and hot.
I'm just a Bedivere. I don't fight very often.
Who are you?
I am Sir Galahad, the dashingly handsome. Yes.
So if someone does tune in and watch in March, does watch this play, what do you think they can expect to see?
Singing, possibly dancing. Not 100% sure on that one. And a whole bunch of people pretending to be on horses.
But you ride a horse for real, right?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Who are you, and why are you dressed so differently than everybody else around the school?
Oh, well, I am Sir Robin. I am a knight in a Camelot.
Well, you're far away from home. You're in Victoria, BC. How did you get so far from Camelot?
Oh, well, we've been on this long quest for the Holy Grail.
What's the Holy Grail?
It is this sort of, it's a cup.
And if people are going to tune in and watch, what can they expect to see?
A lot of adventure, and me being very brave, not running away,
And if someone wants to watch you on your quest for the Holy Grail, where can they see you and how can they see you?
I think they can see us on some sort of screen.
Learn more at mygns.ca and join us for this wonderful and silly musical. And remember, always look on the bright side of life. Always look on the bright...
Holy Grail? It is a cup, a mug, cup.
A cup.
Gods gave us a quest. We are looking for the Holy Grail.
A cup!
A vessel. No. Yes, vessel.
Was it some sort of a dinner cruise?
We're looking for a cup.
Well, it's very nice wherever we are.